Your skin isn't lying, it shows your age. But what if I told you that the foods you eat can actually flip a youth switch, making you look younger than your years? Imagine slowing down visible aging, boosting energy, and supporting your gut and metabolism, all by choosing the right foods every day. Today, we're diving into the science-backed youth switch foods that can make your body feel and look decades younger. Aging isn't just about wrinkles. Inside your body, cellular damage, chronic inflammation, and slow metabolism quietly chip away at your vitality. But here's the incredible part. The foods you eat can activate pathways that slow this process, protecting cells and even helping repair DNA. It's not magic, it's biochemistry, and you can harness it through your daily diet. Oxidative stress is one of the fastest ways your cells age. Free radicals damage proteins, fats, and DNA, accelerating wrinkles and fatigue. But foods rich in antioxidants, like berries and leafy greens, neutralize these harmful molecules. Adding a handful of blueberries to your breakfast or blending spinach into your smoothie gives your body a direct shield against cellular aging. Chronic inflammation is the silent engine behind aging. Persistent inflammation breaks down collagen, weakens your metabolism, and contributes to brain fog. Certain compounds in turmeric, ginger, and colorful vegetables naturally calm inflammation. Incorporating these into your meals daily can help your body fight back and maintain youthful resilience. Blood sugar spikes don't just affect weight, they impact the elasticity of your skin and accelerate cellular aging. Foods with a low glycemic index, like nuts, legumes, and whole grains, keep blood sugar steady and reduce glycation, a process that stiffens tissues. Swap sugary snacks for almonds or lentil-based meals, and you'll give your body a smoother, firmer foundation from the inside out. Your gut is your body's youth command center. A diverse microbiome produces compounds that support skin health, hormonal balance, and metabolism. Fermented foods like kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi feed these friendly microbes. Eating a small serving daily can boost digestion, immunity, and even give your skin a natural glow. Protein isn't just for muscles, it's essential for maintaining skin, hair, and connective tissue. Collagen, the protein that keeps your skin plump, declines naturally with age. Including sources of collagen or amino acids, like bone broth, fish, or eggs, supports tissue repair and helps maintain a youthful appearance. Even a simple chicken or fish dinner can signal your body to preserve its structural proteins. Healthy fats are your secret weapon against visible aging. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in salmon, walnuts, and flaxseed, protect cell membranes, reduce inflammation, and keep skin supple. They also support brain function and hormonal balance, meaning your youth isn't just in your skin. It's in your energy, focus, and mood. A daily handful of walnuts or a serving of fatty fish is a small step with big anti-aging payoffs. Polyphenols are plant compounds that activate longevity pathways in your body, protecting DNA and supporting metabolism. Dark chocolate, green tea, and vibrant fruits like pomegranates are rich sources. Drinking green tea or savoring a small piece of high cocoa dark chocolate daily can trigger your body's natural repair systems, promoting youth at a cellular level. Hydration is more than drinking water. It's about maintaining skin elasticity and flushing out toxins. But some foods, like cucumber, watermelon, and celery, are natural water reservoirs and antioxidants in one. Snacking on these water-rich foods not only keeps you hydrated, but also delivers nutrients that support skin repair and cellular function. Your skin literally drinks from what you eat. Spices and herbs do more than flavor food. They act as potent youth activators. Garlic, rosemary, and cinnamon contain compounds that protect cells from damage, reduce inflammation, and support cardiovascular health. Grinding fresh cinnamon into oatmeal or adding rosemary to roasted vegetables introduces small but powerful anti-aging compounds that work silently inside your body. Colorful vegetables aren't just beautiful on the plate. They contain carotenoids, pigments that protect skin from sun damage and support cellular regeneration. Carrots, sweet potatoes, and red peppers deliver beta-carotene and lycopene, which your body converts into antioxidants that keep skin firm and radiant. Roasting a mix of colorful veggies daily is a simple, delicious way to activate your youth switch. Bone health is closely linked to youthful mobility and posture. Vitamin K, magnesium, and calcium-rich foods, like leafy greens, nuts, and seeds, support bone density and prevent the structural decline that ages your body from the inside out. Sprinkle chia seeds over yogurt or add spinach to your salad to give your bones the tools to stay strong and resilient. Gut-friendly fiber isn't just for digestion. It regulates hormones and inflammation, which directly impact skin and energy levels. Beans, oats, and apples feed your microbiome, which in turn produces metabolites that promote longevity and youthful vitality. A daily serving of fiber-rich foods can subtly but profoundly affect how young you feel from head to toe. Seafood isn't only for protein. It's packed with trace minerals like zinc and selenium, essential for DNA repair and antioxidant defense. Incorporating small portions of shellfish or fish into your weekly diet can help maintain cellular integrity and support overall youthfulness. Even a couple of servings a week can have a noticeable impact on skin, hair, and metabolic health. Dark leafy greens are not just nutrient-dense, they are longevity powerhouses. Rich in magnesium, folate, and vitamin C, they support detoxification, maintain collagen, and reduce systemic inflammation. A simple salad or smoothie packed with kale, arugula, or Swiss chard can give your body the raw materials it needs to preserve vitality. Mushrooms contain unique compounds that boost immunity, reduce oxidative stress, and activate longevity pathways. Varieties like shiitake, maitake, and reishi are particularly potent. Incorporating mushrooms into soups, stir-fries, or even teas can subtly enhance your cellular defenses and keep your body functioning at a youthful level. Berries aren't just antioxidants. They also improve circulation and protect delicate capillaries in the skin. Blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries deliver anthocyanins that help maintain vibrant skin and energy. A daily handful can be an easy, tasty habit that triggers the youth switch from within. Intermittent fasting isn't a food, but timing when you eat can complement youth-activating foods. Short fasting windows stimulate autophagy, the body's natural cleanup process, clearing damaged cells and rejuvenating tissues. Pairing fasting with nutrient-dense meals amplifies your body's ability to maintain youthful function and appearance naturally. Every bite you take can either accelerate aging or activate your youth switch. By focusing on antioxidant-rich, anti-inflammatory, protein-supportive, and microbiome-friendly foods, you're essentially programming your body to slow the visible signs of aging, protect vital organs, and maintain energy levels decades into the future. The most powerful anti-aging strategy isn't expensive creams or exotic supplements. It's the daily choice to feed your body what it truly needs. Your body has an incredible capacity to heal and rejuvenate when given the right nutrients. These foods don't just nourish. They act as switches that signal cells to maintain, repair, and regenerate. The result isn't just skin that looks younger, but energy, resilience, and vitality that reflects your best self at any age. So start today. Add a handful of berries to your breakfast. Include leafy greens in lunch. Snack on nuts. Spice up your dinner with herbs. Little, consistent choices compound over time to make a visible difference. Your youth isn't just in the mirror. It's inside every cell, fueled by what you eat. If you want to continue unlocking the science behind longevity, anti-aging, and optimal nutrition, there's a world of evidence-based strategies waiting to help you look and feel your best. For more insights, science-backed tips, and simple ways to activate your youth switch every day, remember to subscribe and join our community dedicated to aging smarter, not harder.